It's a privilege to be at the 10th International Women's Conference, set in the serene environment of Art of Living International Center. Indeed, after looking at you, I remember few lines or lyrics of one of my own songs. हाँ, मुझे खुद पर यकीन है, ये कुछ ऐसा जुनून है, ये सारा जहां, ये ज़मीं, ये आसमां, अलग मेरा रंग है, मेरी खुद से ही जंग है, जीत जाऊं ऐ खुदा अगर तू मेरे संग है. And today's conference and this International Women's Conference is all about being you. As Smriti ji said, as all the delegates have spoken about it, it is about moving yourself away from all the shackles which bind your mind. And without these shackles, you can achieve anything which your mind perceives. It does come through a belief that yes, I am enough, that yes, I believe in my dreams. And it is not just about very big visions to achieve or very big things to accomplish. It starts with small things and then it graduates to bigger things. Let me just quote a few examples in my own life. There came a time when I had my little daughter, and then everyone said, now please take a break. Do not continue your banking job. We will try to search something else for you, maybe after 5 years of nurturing of your daughter. This is a very regular thing for Indian women to just leave their jobs, sit at home and take care of the daughters. That is very good if you feel like doing it. But then I just wanted to be myself. I wanted to be me. I said, I need help. I need help from people who love me, from my mother, mother-in-law, from the domestic help who was there with me. But I want to be myself. I want to work and be financially independent and remain financially independent. And that's how I continued with my job. I gave quality time to my baby. I could never see her walk her first step in person. I did see it on a video. But since I wanted to be myself, that was the price I paid for it. Later, when Devenji suddenly rose to a big position in Maharashtra, he became the first chief minister of BJP. I was asked to behave in a certain way, the way the other ladies behave, with a pallu, not going out, maybe leave my job, not to sing at all. That was a taboo. But then again, my mind said, no, I need to break this. I need to carve a niche for my daughter, like the other ladies in the past did, Savitribai Phule for education. Why can't I do it in my very small way? I did whatever they said no for. I continued my job. I continued my music. I brought in videos. I danced. I did anything where I received opposition for. At the same time, I also worked for people through my energies and through my music also. Whatever societal messages I could give, I gave through my music. That got people inspired and that made me myself. I wanted to inspire people by just being myself, which was not a very easy journey, which became a little bit easy because of the support of my husband, my parents and the near and dear ones. I call upon all of you to be together. When you see a lady who wants to be herself, you have to stand by her. And that will make her what she wants to be, and that will accomplish our collective dream of women touching the sky, breaking the ceilings, being the ones who dominate the world in the real sense. The days which are coming, I can foresee women moving ahead in every sector, including politics. So I think sky is the limit for us. Just let us be together and be yourself. Listen to your centric mind. Listen to your resilient spirit. And you can go places you can inspire women, you can create a way for your own daughters. That is what we want. We want to be ourselves at any cost.